In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a campaign on Google Ads. Deleting a campaign is a straightforward process, but it's important to understand the steps clearly to ensure everything is done smoothly. Whether you're cleaning up your account or simply making room for new campaigns, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. Let's start by opening up Google Ads and navigating to the overview page. Once you are logged into your account, locating the overview page is your first step. This page offers a comprehensive view of your account's performance, which includes all active and draft campaigns that you have running. Now that you're on the overview page, the next thing you need to do is find the draft campaign you want to delete. Draft campaigns are essentially campaigns that are still works in progress, or those that haven't been launched yet. They're listed in the same area as your active campaigns, so scroll through the list carefully to spot it. It's vital to double check that you're selecting the correct campaign, as removing a campaign is a permanent action. If you have multiple campaigns, you might find it helpful to use filters or search options available on Google Ads to pinpoint the draft more efficiently. Once you've found the draft campaign, the next step is to delete it by clicking on the remove option. You'll usually find this option next to or under the settings for that specific campaign. Clicking remove will prompt a confirmation message or dialog box. This is Google's way of ensuring you are intentional with your action, since removing a campaign cannot be undone. Take a moment to confirm that you indeed wish to proceed with the deletion. Confirm the action and your campaign will be permanently removed from your account. Before concluding, let's quickly recap the process to make sure everything is clear. You begin by accessing the overview page on Google Ads. Then, locate the draft campaign you wish to delete. After you've identified the correct draft, click on the remove option and confirm your action in the dialog box. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and organize your campaigns, ensuring only the most relevant and successful ones remain active. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to delete a draft campaign in Google Ads. With these clear steps, maintaining an organized Google Ads account becomes a breeze. Remember, managing your campaigns efficiently can help optimize your advertising efforts and ensure your account remains clutter-free. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful videos. Until next time, happy advertising.